So we're starting off with quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is another way of solving a quadratic equation. Quadratic formula is minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac whole thing upon 2a, where b is the coefficient of x. So any number attached to x is b. A is the coefficient of x squared, where it is any number or fraction or letter attached to x squared, and c is the constant. A constant is a term in a quadratic equation which does not contain a variable. मतलब x by a b c d उसके साथ नहीं होएगा. So let's talk about identifying what a b and c is. I'm going to give you a lot of questions and you're going to, let's start off with identifying what a b and c is. Question number 1a, all of you. 4x square minus 12x plus 8. Anybody could tell me what a is?
4.
A is the coefficient of x square, which is 4. B is
12.
minus 12,
12.
minus 12, minus 12. Do not forget the sign, okay? And C is
8.
a lot of questions coming up. We'll do at least 5 questions. So it's going to be 3x square minus 3x plus 7 equals to 0. So what is A?
A is 3,
A is 3
B is minus 3,
and
and
C
C is
is
7.
7.
7.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Then another question. 3x square minus 8x equals to 0. That's it. That's it. What is A here?
3.
3.
3.
What is B here?
Minus 8,
8.
What is C here? So C is not given to us. So the C, the
0.
value for C is 0. Understood? Another question. Another question. Please pay attention. It's going to be very helpful tomorrow. 3x square minus 15 equals to 0. Now if I ask you what is A here?
3,
A is 3. What is B here? So I don't have a B.
Minus
What is B?
6.
No. B is the coefficient of x, okay? So B is 0 and C is minus 15. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yes.
Now let's start off with doing a question. Say, let's pick up a question for quadratic equations, okay? So let's do x squared plus 1 upon 4x minus 3. X squared plus 1 upon 4x minus 3. Equals to 0. Now you want to help me out in telling me what a is. A is the coefficient of x square. आप कोई नंबर वहां नहीं लिखा होता तो हमेशा 1 होता है. Very good. B is 0.25
1 upon 4.
or 1 upon 4 and C is positive 3 or negative 3.
Minus 3.
Negative
Negative 3.
3.
नहीं, very good, minus 3. Now I'm going to write down the formula. इसमें हम values put करेंगे. All you have to do is to place the values in this formula. I'll do it with you, don't worry. पूरा question कराता. Now minus bracket open.
Minus 0.25.
Bracket open.
0.25.
Please make sure that you put down brackets when you're solving this. Why? Because it's going to be a lot of problem if you don't put down bracket. Minus 0.25. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Then 0.25. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Minus 4 into 1 into minus 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
And then
Yes,
2
sir.
into 1.
Yes.
ठीक है. अब अतीश बताओ कि क्या आंसर होगा. This would be minus 0.25
0.25
plus minus
plus
0.25 square, please.
0.06.
0.0625.
Yes.
Now, Hassan, you see this negative sign
Plus
and this
12.
negative sign?
Plus 12.
Plus 12 upon
2.
Upon 2.
0.0625 plus 12 करो कितना आया?
0.06.
Can I say this 12.0625?
Yes.
sir.
What I've done
Yes,
is I've
sir.
solved the bracket
Yes,
inside.
sir.
Now, मुझे बताओ, is this solvable? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Why?
Yes.
Because you have a positive number under the square. Then you have minus 0.25 stays as it is, plus minus stays as it is. Can you find the square root of 12.0625?
3.473.
3.473.
3 upon 2.
2.
2.
Now I'm going to make columns. Is it going to be minus 0.25 plus 3.473 whole thing divided by 2,
Yeah.
or it's going to be minus 0.25 minus
Minus
3.473
3.475.
upon 2. I'm going to solve this quietly. You also do this one. Just write down the numerator first. पहले numerator type in करो, फिर equals to the power. उसके बाद divide by 2. Okay. Minus 0.25 plus 3.473 equals to divide by 2. My answer is 1.61. And minus 1.86. Are you guys getting the answer? Hello.
सर मेरा 3.348 आ रहा है.
3.348 इसलिए आ रहा है. Why? Because what you have done is you have not एक पहले numerator लिखो. All of you write down whatever I'm dictating.
सर पहले अच्छा सही है.
Minus 0. Write down minus 0.25 on the calculator. Minus 0.25 plus 3.473 equals to का साइन दबाओ उसके बाद.
सर आगे आंसर.
Divide by 2 करो. Now what happens is, all of you pay attention now. The calculator, what calculator does is, if you write down minus 0.25 plus 3.473 divided by 2, if you write this down on the calculator, what happens is, because the calculator follows BOD mass, it divides first. पहले इन दोनों को divide कर देगा, and then it will subtract or add 0.25 to it. So after you've written this down, after you've written down minus 0.25 plus 3.74, 3.473, press the equals to sign. Whatever is your answer, then divide the answer by 2. Okay, do not make this mistake tomorrow.
Yes sir.
Chalo ji. Now can I move on to the next question, please, all of you?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Question. Question. X squared minus 5x plus 8 equals to 2. Anybody could tell me what A is?
1.
B is?
1. 5.
Minus 5. Then 8.
The formula is minus B plus minus B squared minus 4AC whole thing upon 2A. Yes or no? Now it's going to be minus 5 plus minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 8 whole thing upon 2 into 1. Yes or no, Asan?
Yes, sir.
Now can you solve this for me, all of you? Minus minus is plus 5. Inside the bracket. Minus 5 whole square is plus 25. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
25
Yes.
minus 4 into A.
Minus 32.
Minus
Minus 32.
32 upon 2. Now you're going to tell me if this is solvable or not. What is 25 minus 32?
Minus 7.
Can you take out the square root of minus 7?
Sir, math error आ रहा है.
Math error aa raha hai, right? So we write down no solution. Whenever you get a negative number under the square root, you cannot solve it further. Okay? Is that clear to all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now a very good question that you're going to try and use your brains to solve. Okay, question number 3. If I write down, it is minus 6 plus minus 36 minus 24 over 2. This is what is given to you, and the question, the teacher asks you what is the value for A, what is the value for B, what is the value for C. Anybody could do this for me?
B is equals to
A would be 1.
B is equals to A would be 1. B
A would be 1.
6.
How are you getting 1? Okay, चलो पहले मुझे आंसर बता दो, फिर B is going to be
B would be 6.
6.
and C is going to be. Now C पूरे फॉर्मूले में पता है कहाँ आता है? C पूरे फॉर्मूले में इधर आता है. You see 24.
Yes, 24.
This actually is 4AC. Yes or no? So you
Yes.
know 4. You know A is 1. How much would C be to get to an answer of
6.
24?
6. 6. 6.
6.
C is also
6.
6. Yes or no?
6.
Yes.
Now, can you write this in the form as an original equation? I'm going to write something down on the board. You're going to tell me ये किस तरह आया, okay? It's going to be x square, 1x square plus 6x minus 6 equals to 0. Am I correct?
Hmm.
No, sir.
No, I'm not. You see, this is what you call A. The value for A was
Yes.
1.
1.
This is what you call B.
B.
Value of B was. And this is what you call C. But
Yes.
if you, and all of you, please look into the question. Can you tell me if this,
सर आपने यहाँ पे माइनस लिख लिया.
this is a plus 6? Very good. This is supposed to be a plus 6. I just wanted to confuse you guys with, I'll give you next another question that you're going to be working on. This is a plus 6. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, another question.
Yes,
Question
sir.
like this will most probably be examined tomorrow. So you're going to pay attention, okay? You're going to pay attention.
Yes, sir.
Look at this, all of you. Minus plus minus square root. Yes, anybody could tell me what A is for this question?
Sir, A is
Sir, is
2.
2.
Very good.
B
A
is
is 2.
B is 4.
B is 4 or minus 4?
Minus
4.
4.
4.
Minus
4. 4.
4.
4.
Because ये वाला minus जो है ना, this is already in the formula. This is the formula वाला minus. Yes or no?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is C here? So plus 32 is actually 4AC. So it's going to be 4 multiplied by 2 into what number is going to give you 32?
4.
4.
Very good. Your answer is 4. Now if I have to write down the equation, I'll write down x square, then I'll write down x, and then I'll write down equals to 0. The coefficient of x square is a, so this is going to come here. The coefficient of x is b, which is going to come here, and the constant is c, is going to come here. So your final equation is going to be 2x squared plus 4x plus 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Are you 100% sure? There is a mistake.
Yes,
all
sir.
of you. There is a mistake. No, there is a mistake.
Sir, the 4 will be minus the C1.
Very good. So why? Because Hassan, all of you please pay attention. This is very, very important. What I did was I write down the formula for you. It's minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac. This sign here is a negative sign. Do you see a negative sign in your question? Was this a negative sign?
Sir, it was a positive.
It's a positive
It
sign.
is a positive.
और आपको नीचे मैंने लिख के दे दिया 2. This is a plus 2. So I know for a fact that A is positive, but I have to say that C has to be negative. That minus and minus becomes plus. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is
sir.
going
Yes.
to be a minus 4. I'm going to upload this video. You're going to, for this question, you're going to time and again watch it. Time and again watch it. This is going to be very, very, very important for all of you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, I'm going to move on to, because I'm short on time, I'm going to move on to quadratic algebraic fractions. You know how to solve algebraic fractions? You even
Sir,
know
I
what
have
is
a
it?
question.
Yes, go
If
ahead.
it has minus x square, will we use the value of A as minus 1?
Minus
or
1.
just-
Yes, minus 1 will always be minus 1. Okay. All of you now. Have you guys solved algebraic fractions ever?
Yes, sir.
Let's do this. 2 over x plus 2 equals to 5x minus 3. How do you solve this?
Sir, उस तरफ जाके multiply
I
हो
take
जाएगा.
the whole of the numerator to that
Multiply.
side, yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
2 stays here. I'm going to put down 5x minus 3 in one bracket and x plus 2 in one bracket, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then I'm going to multiply 5x with the whole of the second bracket. So 5x bracket open, x plus 2. Then minus 3 would also be multiplied by the whole of the second bracket. I'm going to write down minus 3 and then I'm going to write down x plus 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 2
5x
equals
square
to,
plus
very good,
10
very good. Go ahead.
minus 3x plus 6.
Plus
Plus
6
minus,
नहीं हुआ, minus 6 है.
minus 6.
It will be 5x square plus 10x minus 3x minus 6 stays here plus 2. Can you move it to that side, please?
-2.
Equals to 0.
So
This is
5x
nothing.
square
That's going to be
plus
5x
7
square
minus
plus 7x.
7,
8 minus 8.
8.
Do you want to apply the quadratic formula or do you want to do the completing the square method? Quadratic formula.
Formula.
A equals to 5, b equals to 7,
7
And then
b
minus
equals to
8.
minus 8.
minus 8.
I'm writing down the formula. You're going to help me out filling in the values inside the bracket. So minus bracket open plus minus square root a b square minus 4 into a into c upon 2 into a. Now the values for a is about minus 7, yes or no?
7
Minus 7. Yes,
7
sir.
Then 7 square, then a is 5, then c is minus 8,
5 minus 8.
and a is 5.
upon
Now
5
Minus
7
7 plus
plus
minus
minus
49. 49.
49
calculator
Plus
please,
minus
calculator
minus.
4 into 5 into 8, calculator please.
plus
Good.
6 plus 160
Plus 160 minus 160, all of you.
plus
Plus, because you see there
Plus
is minus sign.
160.
Very
Plus
good.
160.
Now what do I do? Can you solve what is inside under the square root, please? So
209.
minus 7 stays as it is. Plus minus, very good. 209 over 10. Now I would suggest, अगर मैं ये solve कर रहा हूँ, all of you, I would suggest that you do it this way. Minus 7 plus square root of 209 over 10 and minus 7 minus square root of 209 over 10. Yes or no?
yes
Yes, sir.
Now, can you put all of this in the calculator? Tell me the answer directly. Do you know how to open up fractions inside on the calculator?
yes sir.
My answer is 0.75.
For the first one is 0.775.
Very good. Second one is
0.7 45
Minus 2.15. 14.
minus 0.74575, and the first one is positive 0.75. The second one is minus 7 minus 1 square root 209, whole thing divided by 10.
so मेरा आ रहा है -2.14
Same, sir. Minus 2.14.
Is it minus 2.14 for all of you? Can I say
Yes.
this minus 2.15? Yes or no?
yes
Yes, sir.
Another question. We're going to do a lot of questions.
sir, can you solve the question which I sent you?
What do you want? You want me to solve this using completing the square method?
सर मैं आपको भेजा था एक्सरसाइज 1B का था पार्ट जी है
Okay, just give me a minute. Atish has given me a question. I'm going to copy that down and we can start again. Okay.
Can we do
It
this
will be
by ourselves?
multiply.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shift this to that side. 4 on the left hand side equals to 2x minus 5 in one bracket and x plus 3 in one bracket. 4. Now 2x would be multiplied by the whole of the second bracket. So it's going to be 2x bracket open, x plus 3 minus 5. 5 would also be multiplied by everything in the second bracket. So it's going to be minus 5 into x plus 3. So 4 equals to 2x square plus 6x minus 5x minus 15. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now anybody could solve this for me. 2x square plus x minus 15 minus 4 equals to 0. Yes or no, all of you?
Yes.
Now whether you put down the 0 on the left hand side or the right hand side, that actually doesn't make an effect, right? Now
Yes.
it's going to be 2x squared plus x minus 19 equals. Now quadratic formula again. A equals to, you're going to help me out.
2
2. B equals to,
and
One.
1
and
and then
C
C
equals
is
to?
equals to
Minus
minus 19.
Now I want all of you to start doing this on your copy. Send me a picture quickly. So no, I'll do this question. I'll give you another question. Just do this with me on the board.
Sir.
So it's going to be the formula is minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac whole thing over 2 into a. It's going to be minus b square root b square minus 4 into a into c whole thing over 2 into a. Yes or no?
Yes.
It's going to be minus 1 plus minus 1 square is 1. 4 into 2 into 19 on the calculator, please. Is it 152?
152.
Now, I'm confused about putting the sign. Is this a positive sign or a negative sign?
Positive.
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 Why? Because you have
Positive.
two, you see two negatives here, and minus sign here and a minus sign here. Next, it's going to be minus 1 plus minus square root of 153 over 4. Yes or no?
153. Yes.
Now, I'm going to make two lines. It's going to be minus 1 plus 153 over 4. And the other one is going to be minus 1 minus root 153 over 4.
So for the first one is 38.
I'll have to check. I can't be that far. 153 over 4. 2.84 is my answer for the first part. On your calculators, all of you, please. Abhiya, do it again. Minus 1 minus
Oh.
3. Minus 3.34. So I'm going to solve this for you because this is the first time you're doing questions like these. All of you, you're going to pay attention, you're going to be active, you're going to be answering, okay? How many denominators do you see on the left-hand side of the equation? How many denominators? I see an x plus 4 and I see an x, right? These are two denominators, yes or no? Whenever you have two denominators, you will have to take out the LCM. Can you find out the LCM of x and x plus 4? What you're going to do is you're going to write down x and then you're going to write down x plus 4. You're going to put
X
down
square
both
plus
of these.
4x.
No, don't open them up. Do not open them up until you get to a different part of the question. Okay. So I'm going to write down x and x plus 4 directly. Now, all of you, please pay attention. All of you, please pay attention. This is the most important part. You see this fraction. What is the denominator for this fraction? X plus 4. Yes or no?
Yes.
Looking at the LCM, you have x plus 4 in the denominator. What you don't have is x. So I'm going to multiply the numerator of
The
this
whole
fraction by
section.
x. X would be multiplied by x. It's going to be x squared. Plus this 1 that you see, it's going to be multiplied by x plus 4.
Plus 4.
Equals to 3 over 4. Yes or no, all of you?
Yes.
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 Now, Fatma, are you there?
Yes, sir.
It's going to be x squared plus x plus 4 over x squared. Now, Natish, you're going to open this up, okay?
Yes, sir.
X squared plus 4x.
4x.
X
So
into x
now
and x
we'll
into
cross
4
multiply.
equals to 3 upon 4. Now, when you have a single denominator on the left hand side, then you cross multiply, okay? So 4 is going to be multiplied by all of this and 3 is going to be multiplied by all of this. So I'm going to write down 4 first. Open up a bracket, write down x squared plus x plus 4 equals to 3, bracket open, x squared plus 4x and bracket close. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now can you open this up for me? It's going to be
4x
4x squared
4x
plus
squared
4x
plus
plus
4x
4x plus 16
3x square
3x
plus
squared
12
plus
x.
12x.
Now you're going to bring the like terms to one side. So plus 3x squared should also go to that side and 12x should also go to that side. So my answer, the next step would be 4x squared
X square
minus 3x
minus
squared.
3x squared
Then I
Minus
write down
3x
plus 4x
plus 4x
minus 12x
minus 12x
plus 16
plus
equals to
16 is equal to 0.
0. This would
square
be x squared
minus 8 minus
minus
8 plus
8x
8x plus
Minus 8
plus 16.
plus 16 is equal to 0.
Now what is a here?
1
1, sir.
B is
minus
negative
8
8.
and then
8,
16.
16.
All of you understand this? Now I'm not
Yes,
going to
sir.
solve
Yes.
this for you. I'm going to write down the formula. You're going to do it at home. Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Now, let's move on to the next question. So this question you have is how many denominators do you see on the left hand side of the equation?
Sir, 2.
Two.
Two.
So you will have to take out the LCM, convert these two denominators into a single denominator. And the LCM is going to be x plus 2 in one bracket and x
And x
minus 2 in.
1 back.
Now this x plus 2 is going to multiply by x and this x minus 2 is going to be multiplied by x on the other side. Yes or no?
Yes.
Chalo ji. So x bracket open x plus 2 minus the sign minus stays as it is x into x minus 2. Now Hassan, can you open this up for me? Can you expand the brackets for me, please? X into x is
x square plus 2x
very
minus
good
x minus plus 2x.
plus 2x. Is he correct? Now Abhiya, can you do this for me, please? X into x square is x into x is x squared.
X square.
Then x into
And
2
then-
is
2x.
and then
Then 2 minus 2x
minus
plus
2x
4. Minus plus minus 4.
minus 4 equals to 4 over 3. Next
4
step,
over 3.
Myra, can you help me with the next step, please?
Cross multiply.
Can I cancel these two out? Plus x square and minus
Oh,
x
yeah.
square. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now can you add 2x and 2x?
4.
4x. Now in the denominator, can I cancel plus 2x and minus 2x?
Yes.
So what I have left is x square minus 4. Yes or no?
X square minus 4.
Equals to 4 over 3. So you will not cross multiply until you've simplified the expression, right? So now cross multiply. So it's going to be 12x. Yes or no?
Yes.
So 4 bracket
Yes.
open x square minus 4. Yes or no?
Yes.
12x equals
12x
to.
equals to 4x square minus 16.
Very good. Now bring all the terms on one side. So 4x square stays as it is. I'm going to shift
Minus 16.
plus 12x to that side. Please, plus 12x to that side. Minus 12x,
Minus 12x equals to 0.
minus 16, and all of this is equal to 0. Yes or no?
0.
Yes.
Now, if you are smart people, if I am a smart student, what I'm seeing is in all of this equation, I am seeing a number that divides all the three numbers in the box. Can you find out that
4.
number? 4.
Therefore,
That is what you say, taking out common, right? So I'm going to find out
Yes.
common. I have x square minus 3x minus 4, and all of this is equal to 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
yes.
Now, what to do with 4, Hassan? How do you eliminate 4? 4 is being multiplied by this bracket. When it goes to the other side, it's going to divide
Third other side divide and then 0.
0, right? So it's going to be x square minus 3x minus 4 equals to 0 over 4, and 0 over 4 is actually 0. I'm going to directly write down 0. What is a here? What is b here?
3
Negative 3, negative 3. And c is
Minus
negative 4.
negative 4. Now I'll write down the formula for you. Minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac whole thing over 2. Okay. You're going to try and solve these two questions from home. I am going to send you a worksheet.